In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a curve-based logo animation. I'll hide the objects from the practice run, and show you everything from the beginning. Let's create a particle generator first. We need a plane. Let's add a particle emitter. I'll add a star. If you don't have that, please activate an extra objects add-on. The star is going to be our emitter object. The stars are moving up, because I have reversed the gravity. This is the original setting. Let's randomize and spread the stars apart by changing the emitter settings. I'll add a randomized emission shader. Please remember to use EV with bloom turned on. Here are the full nodes. That would look super cool, if the stars were bursting out of an age-old wizard's magic book. This is the end of the tutorial. Nope, not yet. We need to add an animated text object next. I'll add a text object and apply a random font, bevel and extrude. R, X, and 90, to rotate the mesh 90 degrees on the X axis. Here are the material settings. Let's add a curve point. If you don't see the curve point, please activate an Extra Objects add-on. Please remember to press the 3D button. E to extrude. Type A to select all, V to set the handle type, and A to smooth it. Select any random points and type G and Y to move them toward the back like this. Let's add a curve modifier. Playing the animation won't do anything, because we're not following the path. We must manually move the text object like this. I typed G and X to move it on the X axis. Let's extrude the first point to create a straight line. While the logo is being animated, you'll notice odd lines. Please convert the text to mesh and subdivide it 20 times to fix that issue. If we were to use the curve from this angle, then we'd need to press Ctrl A to rest all transforms and move it on the Y axis instead. X axis won't work, and without resetting the transform the mesh will break like this. I'll just place the curve on the X axis for this tutorial. Let's find the best angle to render. Let's modify the curve more to make it look even more interesting. I'll move the text out of the scene and set a new keyframe on frame 1. I'll move the text object to the final position and set a new keyframe to the last frame of the animation. I have set the last frame to 150 on the practice run. I'll change that to 250. Again, to avoid the visible line issue on the text object, please convert the text to mesh and subdivide it multiple times. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.